Spoofing in Pokemon Go in 2024 is really easy. All you have to do is just get a working spoofer, which I'll show you how to do so in this video that you're watching right now. So I'll show you how to get a hack for your iOS Pokemon Go version, and it's always updated, always stays up to date. You'll get a joystick. You can change your location without actually moving in your map, so you can just stay at your home, play the game, teleport, snipe, auto catch, auto egg hatch. Many features that you are probably seeing on the screen right now, but just keep watching the full video because I'll show you step by step how to get it on your iPhone or iPad, and let's get into it. Okay, so I noticed that I made my intro a little bit on the longer side, so I'll try to make the tutorial as short as possible. But this will work on any iOS or Android device. I'm using my iPhone for the steps, but the steps will be exactly the same if you have an iPad or an Android. There's one extra setting for iPhone users. So if you have an iPhone, go to your settings, scroll down till you find this right here, home screen. Click on that and make sure that this bubble is on green, so show an app library is enabled. And again, it's just for iPhone users, this setting right here. Show an app library and make sure it's green and you'll be good to go. So now to download the hack for Pokemon Go, open your browser and go to this website right here. It's app library. And when the website loads up, simply in the search bar, just search for Spoofer like this, and it'll pop up. It'll say Pokemon Go Spoofer. So this is the app that we need to download. And guys, it's really important that you watch the full video because you'll see some steps needed to do, but make sure you watch the full video and it will work for you, I promise. But right now it says click to download Pokemon Go Spoofer with joystick, teleport, and other spoofing features. So just click on the app icon, click download. And right here, just wait, give it a moment. It will check if your phone is compatible with the spoofer. And it should be, but just give it a few seconds here. You don't have to do anything. And we almost finished. We should land on our final step in just a second. And there we go. This is the final step, guys. Don't skip it. It will take us like 2 to 3 minutes. And what we have to do is we have to complete a simple device verification by completing 3 free offers from the list below. After that, the Pokemon Go Spoofer will start downloading automatically. So we have to complete 3 offers, 3 apps from this list, and I'll do it with you, show you how easy it is. So I'll just start with this one. Evertail says that I have to download and open the app, or it's a game, for 30 seconds. So very simple one. I'll complete this one. And if you see different offers or apps, don't worry. As long as you read the offer instructions and do exactly what it says, you'll get the spoofer, and the spoofer stays up to date automatically. So you only have to do device verification once. But soon I'll complete my first one simply by opening the game for 30 seconds. So this one is a pretty easy one. That's why I chose it. I'll try to complete the shortest ones, the simplest ones. But there might be some more difficult tasks, but don't worry, as they are very easy to complete. Maybe some might take a few minutes, but don't worry. Just do what the instructions say, and you'll have the spoofing app for Pokemon Go in 2024 in no time. So 30 seconds have passed, or a few more seconds left. Now I'll close the game and I'll go and complete the second and third offer, so it's 3 in total, and I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so a few minutes later, I am done with the verification. Now it's really important, it's crucial that you get back to the browser because that is what will start the download process for the spoofer. And if the spoofer doesn't start downloading automatically, which might happen sometimes, don't worry, as a simple refresh will solve the problem 100%. So now if I go to my home screen, you can see I have the Pokemon Go app right here, the game. and I have a few games I had to play as well. So I'll just open the Pokemon Go and show you that it is the spoofer that I showed you in the intro, and it was really simple to download. But guys, keep watching as I'll show you a few features that you need to know in this location changer. So now, as you can see, I have the spoofer menu. First thing I'll do is I'll enable incognito mode, as this will hide my username and it will show stars, symbols, instead of my real username. So now I'll log in. There we go. So I'm in the game. As you can see, my username is hidden. So that's very good if you want to make like YouTube videos or something. But now I'll show you. As you can see, this shows right here a filter for nearby Pokemon. So you can also check nearby Pokemons on the map if you want. So now to change your, to spoof your location, you have a few options. One is going into the map. Searching for a location, or let's say holding your finger somewhere and clicking teleport, as that will change your location instantly. Now you also have another option, is if you go into your settings and at the bottom you enable joystick right here. Now you have a joystick that you can use to walk on the map. And let me show you that you can change the speed of the joystick. So let's say I enter 25. Now I'll walk way faster on the map, as you can see. And you can use this for Pokemon Go spoofing in 2024. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you in my next one.